proud to honor Kurt Schneider as this year's VANTAGE Gold Partner. He truly defines what it means to be all in. Kurt joined our VANTAGE family as a mentor in 2021. He's become a constant, reliable presence, whether he's mentoring, coaching, or judging multiple teams at Shark Tank, or even spending entire days running mock interviews for Human Resource Day. He has provided steady guidance to our students, navigating their professional journey through our experiential learning programs. This year, Kurt continued his impact even further by joining our experiential learning focus group, providing vital coaching for academic challenges and dedicated project coaching.
I love working with them. They're motivated, they're smart, they have incredible career aspirations, and they love to learn, and it's just a joy. I learn something every time I talk to them, and hopefully they learn something from me every time I talk to them as well.
He doesn't just volunteer, he truly empowers the next generation of leaders.